Are you looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality, safety, and reliability? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, gloss black Jeep badging, single exhaust with bright tip, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, instrument cluster with off-road display page, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, blind spot and cross path detection, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, lane departure warning, power sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5436.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.